Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Naga-style pork. First, ensure you have about 500 grams of pork belly, cut into roughly 1-inch cubes. Next, prepare your aromatics, 10 to 15 dry red chilies and 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. Don't forget half a cup of dry bamboo shoots, which are key to this dish. Finally, have salt and water ready for cooking. Now, let's get those flavors ready. Begin by soaking your dry red chilies in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. This makes them easier to work with. Once softened, coarsely grind the chilies along with the garlic using a mortar and pestle to create a rustic paste. Also, remember to soak your dry bamboo shoots in room temperature water for 3 to 5 minutes. It's time to cook. Place your pork belly in a deep pot and cook it over a low flame. Stir occasionally until the fat begins to render out. Next, add the soaked bamboo shoots, your coarsely ground garlic, and the chili paste to the pork. Mix everything thoroughly, season with salt, and then add 1 to 2 cups of water, ensuring the pork is mostly covered. Continue to simmer your Naga pork on a medium-low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the pork is wonderfully tender. Make sure most of the water has evaporated, leaving you with a rich, concentrated sauce. This dish is best served hot with steamed rice. For an enhanced reading experience, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your authentic Naga pork.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.